This exercise is a rack pull. Now, the purpose of a rack pull is to help us get a little bit better at our weakest spot in a deadlift. So, what we want to be doing is setting the bar in a rack at somewhere close to that weakest point where we tend to stick. That's usually a few inches below the knee. You shouldn't be pulling a rack pull from above the knee, ideally. Now, if you don't have a rack like this, you may not have such a well-equipped gym. You can also use a couple of plates and set the bar up on that, use that instead, or some wooden boxes, some blocks. Now, from this position, we're going to set ourselves into our standard deadlift position. So, for me, it would be conventional, which means my arms are going to be vertical just outside my knees, my feet about shoulder width apart, a slight angle on my toes. I'm going to push my knees out as I stand, push my shoulder blades into my back pockets like I'm doing a deadlift, then from there, push the floor away from me, locking out. Slowly lowering back down, setting it back down carefully onto the rack, taking the pressure off, resetting my shoulders, pulling my butt down back straight, stand, lock out. All the way down, we'll do one more. From here, set my shoulders and stand. Now, same rules apply as with deadlift. Back nice and straight, drive the knees out, shoulders back, chest up, try and rise from the hips and the shoulders at the same time. It's important to understand as well, this would be a heavy movement. I am just using light plates for the sake of the demonstration.